Meaning of Fox News Channel.
Fox News Channel.
Fox News Channel.
Fox News Channel.
Fox News Channel. Fox News Channel is a cable news network that provides a mix of political commentary, analysis, and news programming to viewers in the United States and around the world. Launched in 1996, the network quickly established itself as a prominent and influential voice in American politics and culture. Its programming includes opinion shows hosted by conservative commentators such as Sean Hannity and Tucker Carlson, as well as news segments anchored by reporters and analysts. With a large and dedicated audience, Fox News has been both praised for its conservative perspective and criticized for alleged bias and misinformation.